Greetings students, welcome to my class. Students, how are you all? Students, I hope you all are fit and fine, and I hope the same for your family members. Students, in the previous two classes, we have completed the chapter The Thief's Story. We have discussed the brief summary of the chapter The Thief's Story, and after that we have done the detailed explanation of the chapter The Thief's Story, written by Ruskin Bond. Now students, we will discuss the question answers and the second part of read and find out question answers, as well as the textbook question answers. But before discussing the question answers, I would like to give you a brief recap of the chapter. Well, this story, The Thief's Story, is written by Ruskin Bond, and this chapter is about the two characters. One is thief, which is called Hari Singh, and another one is a young struggling actor, 25 years old, Anil. So in this chapter, Hari Singh, who was a young boy, only 15 years of age, was an expert thief. He used to keep on changing his name every day, so every month, so that he can be ahead of the people, or ahead of the previous employees and the police, so they cannot catch him. And Anil, on the other hand, he was a struggling writer who was struggling in making his living by writing for magazines, writing stories or articles and all that. Once when Anil was watching the wrestling match, Hari Singh meets him and he uses his flattery trick, and he calls him that you yourself look like a wrestler, and he was successful in that. He gave him his most appealing smile, most attractive smile also, and Anil was impressed, and he gives him the work on the condition that he cannot pay him. And then Hari Singh agreed to that condition, because Anil also promised him that he would teach him how to write sentences, write his name, and how to add numbers. And Hari Singh at that point of time, he thinks that if I would be an educated man, I can use this skill or use this trait of being educated to make to do wonders in my line of work. And then he starts working for Anil. In the that 1 month period when he worked for Anil, in that 1 month period he used to earn 1 rupees daily as a profit, and Anil had complete trust on him. He even gave him the key of the room or key of the door, so that whenever he wish he can come and go. And it's been a month. Hari Singh had not done anything good, because he was just making a profit of 1 rupees on the in the shopping of daily necessary items. But it was not good for him. He was himself telling him that, what are you doing? It's been a month, you are out of practice, you have not done anything big in your line of work. Then one day he saw Anil bringing a bundle of note, 600 rupees currency in the denomination of 50 rupees. And he also saw him keeping that money under his mattress, and the same day he decides that it is the time I would rob Anil. And he also mentions that Anil is a very careless man, and it is very difficult to rob a careless man, because sometimes a careless person doesn't even realize that he has been robbed, doesn't even come to know, and that takes the fun out of the work. And when he saw the Anil that he's got the money, he decides to rob him, and at the same night he robs him, and he was successful in that attempt. He goes to railway station. He knew, he had considered all the plan, that after robbing him I would catch the Lucknow Express at 10:30 a.m. and I will run away from here. But due to some unexplained reason which he cannot explain, he just missed the train. The train was in front of him. He couldn't get inside the train, and the train left the platform, and he missed the train. And he was thinking that, why did I miss? And it was actually the kindness, generosity, affection, and the trust shown by Anil on him that these all thing or these all qualities of Anil was the reason that he couldn't catch the train. So he decides, and he thinks also, when he was under the shadow of a clock tower, he thought that if I could go back, I could be an educated man, and it is the time when I go back and I learn from Anil how to write whole sentences, and I can become an educated man, and then I can use that education to become a respectable, noble person, and I can earn more money than this 600 rupees I can earn, and I can be a more respectable person. So the materialistic thinking, when he started working for Anil, changed into a noble thinking, and he was transformed. Anil's goodness, kindness touched him, and he comes back to Anil. He keeps the money under his mattress again successfully, and the next morning he wakes up late. Anil was already awoken, and he had already made his tea, and he passes a 50 rupees note to him, and he says that I will give you a regular salary now, you will be paid regularly. At that point of time, when he when he takes the note was still damp, and that point of time Hari Singh comes to know that Anil knew that he was robbed by him, but Anil, there was no expression of sorrow or sadness or any type of guilt, but he, even on the other end, he says that I will pay you regularly now. And at that point of time, Hari Singh passes the genuine smile, because he was transformed. Anil did not hand him over to the police, because he knew that Hari Singh is on the right path now. He is on the right path because he has come back and returned his money. So, and Hari Singh, on the other hand, also knows that Anil knew that I robbed him, but he is giving him another chance to be reformed. Then he passes his most attractive smile again, but at this point of time his smile was genuine. It was not fake, it was a real smile which was coming from inner soul and inner side of Hari Singh. So that was a quick recap, my dear students. I hope if you have any doubt, if you had, or it would have been clear now. If you still have some doubt, you can leave a doubt in the comment box. Now, my dear students, we will discuss the question answers. First, we will discuss the question answer. Read and find out question answers. Their answers. The first question is, how does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? My dear students, theft here means chori. Chori karna, steal. Steal means chori karna, stealing, chori hon, and theft is chori hona. So that is a difference. We have to understand that. And the first question here is, how does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? So thief here is Hari Singh, and the question is that how does Hari Singh think that Anil will react to the theft? When he will come to know that he has been robbed, how would Anil react? What Hari Singh think that Anil will think? So the question answer according to me is that of this question, that Hari Singh, because he was an expert thief, and he at the young age he had a lot of experience of robbing and stealing from people. So he had done this study of different people, how would they react when they are robbed. So he knew that Anil was a careless man, and he will feel bad, he will feel sad and hurt also, but not because he is robbed, not because the loss of money. He will feel bad, he will feel sad and hurt because his trust was broken. He will feel bad for the loss of trust, not loss of money. उसको क्या बुरा लगेगा? उसको ये बुरा लगेगा कि उसका भरोसा टूटा है, ना कि उसके पैसे चोरी हो गए या उसके घर में चोरी हो गई. उसको ये बुरा नहीं लगेगा. उसको ये बुरा लगेगा कि उसका ट्रस्ट, उसका भरोसा जो हरी सिंह के ऊपर था वो टूट गया. So that is the answer of this first question. Now the second question of read and find out. What does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? So the answer of this question is clearly mentioned in the book also, you can find out, but I will still discuss with you. See, as the story says, the chapter tells us that Hari Singh he was only 15 years of age, but he had a lot of experience, and at that young age he had done the study of the faces of different people, how they would react. So he himself says in the story that a greedy man will show fear, जो एक लालची आदमी होगा वो डर दिखाएगा, and a rich man will show anger, जो अमीर आदमी होगा वो गुस्सा दिखाएगा when they will come to know that they are robbed, and the poor man will show acceptance, जो गरीब आदमी होगा ही वो चुपचाप स्वीकार कर लेगा कि चलो मेरे घर में चोरी हो गई या मैं लूट गया हूँ. बट अ केयरलेस मैन लाइक अनिल, he will not even come to know, he will not even detect that he has been robbed. उसको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि उसकी चोरी हो गई, because he like careless people like Anil, they will not come to know, they will not even detect that they are being robbed. So this will be the answer of the second read and find out question. Now the third question, does Anil realize that he has been robbed? क्या अनिल को पता चल जाता है कि उसके वो लूट चुका है या उसको लूटा जा चुका है? Well students, I have explained you the chapter, so the answer you can give me in the comment box, and the answer is that yes, he realizes that he has been robbed, because when in the next morning Hari Singh wakes up late, and Anil wakes up at the same time, and he, the chapter says that he had already made his tea. So when he touches his note, he comes to know, because notes were damp due to the rain, heavy rain. The note became damp. मतलब वो गीले हो चुके थे, नम थे. So he comes to know that he has been robbed. Hari Singh tried to rob him, but he did not mention anything. Why didn't he mention anything? Because he can see the shadow of repentance. Repentance means regret, पछतावा. उसको पता चल गया था कि हरी सिंह को पछतावा हुआ है. हरी सिंह, feeling very bad, feeling guilty of what he has done, and that's why he came back and he returned the money. So that's why Anil did not show any kind of sadness, guilt or sorrow on his face, and that is the reason also that he does not give him or hand him over to the police. So yes, he comes to know that he has been robbed. So students, few students were asking that do we have to write this read and find out questions answers in the fair notebook? Yes students, you have to note down and you have to write the answers of this read and find out questions in your fair notebook also, because for me they are important and you will do in your fair notebook. Now we come to the textbook questions. Now think about it. The first question of think about it. What are Hari Singh's reactions to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? So in this question, when it is asked that what are the reactions of Hari Singh, or what are when prospect of receiving an education, so we have to tell that what does he think when Hari Singh starts working for Anil in the starting, and when he comes back, what do they change? Yes, answer is definitely yes, they do change. How? We will come to know. Hints are also given. Compare, for example, the thought, I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. With these later thoughts, whole sentences, I knew, could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. What makes him return to Anil? Now, student, the first part, what are the Hari Singh's reactions to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? So Hari Singh, when Hari Singh starts working for Anil, when Anil keeps him, with him, keeps Hari Singh with him for work, to prepare the food, to clean, and to do the shopping of daily necessary items. So when he starts working for him, and Anil promised him that he would teach him and how to make sentences, how to add numbers. So he thinks at that point of time his mind was materialistic. He was only thinking about the being materialistic, and as a thief his thinking was only as a thief. His thinking was not that mature, because he thought, and we come to know when he says that I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. He says that if he would become an educated man, at that point of time when he starts working for Anil, at that point of time he thinks that if I could start writing like an educated man, if I'll become an educated man, then there is no limit. What can I achieve in my line of work? I can copy the signature of other people, means forgery I can do, एंड मतलब कॉपी करना, नकली हस्ताक्षर करके वो क्या क्या नहीं कर सकता था. ही वॉज जस्ट इमेजिनिंग कि मैं इस फील्ड, अगर मैं एक एजुकेटेड मैन बन जाऊंगा तो मैं वंडर कर सकता हूँ, बहुत पैसे कमा सकता हूँ, लोगों को ठग सकता हूँ और भी बड़े लेवल पे. आई कुड डू वंडर्स, बहुत बड़ी रॉबरी चोरी कर सकता हूँ, बिकॉज ही वॉज बीइंग मेटेरियलिस्टिक एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. एंड द सेंटेंसेस ऑल्सो रिवील एल्स, बट लेटर ऑन when he was influenced, or he was influenced with the good qualities or the traits of Anil. Anil was a kind-hearted man. He was a person who trusts on other people, and Hari Singh himself mentions that Anil was the most trusting person he had ever met, because Anil gave him the key of the door whenever, so that whenever he wants to come or go, he can go, and he can come whenever he wants to come. So that's why Anil, he was under the influence. He was influenced completely by Anil's good traits, Anil's kindness, Anil's generosity, Anil's trust on him, and affection shown by Anil to him. These qualities of Anil changed him. That's why he couldn't catch the train, and that's why when he left the train and he was thinking that if I had to go back, if only to read and write, he says himself that it is very easy to rob a person, and it is more easy to be caught. बोलता है कि चोरी करना आसान है, चोरी करके पकड़े जाना भी बहुत आसान है, but to become a big man was something else. Educated man, he no longer wanted to be a robber or a deceiver or a criminal or a thief. He wants to be a big man, an educated man, a noble man. And these sentences also proves that. But to be a really big man, a clever and respectable man was something else. So what makes him return to Anil? As I have told you that when he starts working for Anil, he realizes that he was a careless man, and he also realizes that he is the most trusting person he had ever met. And Anil's kindness, Anil's generosity, Anil's trust on him changed him. These qualities of Anil forced him or changed him, and he now no longer want to be a thief. He becomes so. That's why he wanted to be an educated man, a good man, a respectable man of the society. That's why he comes back to Anil and returns the money. Now the second question, my dear students, why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what ways is Anil different from such employers? Well, three questions, my dear students. First is, there are three parts of this question. First part is, why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? Second part is, do you think most people would have done so? Well, out of, if you talk about 10 people, out of 10, 8 or 9 people would hand over. In this situation, they would hand over the thief to the police, because they are being robbed and they have come to know, and thief has come back, so they have got the golden opportunity to hand over the police to the thief. वो चोर को पुलिस के हवाले ही कर देंगे 10 में से 8 लोग. बट Anil does not do that. Why? We, after reading the chapter, we have come to know that Anil was a kind-hearted man, and he was not feeling sad or bad or hurt just because he was robbed. He was feeling bad for the loss of trust, as Hari Singh also says that he will not feel bad, and Anil was generous enough. So, and he knew the fact, Anil knew the fact that if he will hand over Hari Singh to the police at this age, because he was only 15 years of age, a very young age, he will go to the prison and he would meet more hardened criminals, dangerous criminals, and when he will come out of the prison, he will not be a young person, he will not be a good person, he will become more hardened criminal when he will come out of the jail or prison. That's why he wanted him to give another chance to reform, to transform, and he knew that because he came back and he returned the money, so he was on the right path to be reformed, to be transformed, and that's why he came back and returned the money, because he wanted to reform himself. That's why he did not hand him over to the police. Now, in what ways Anil is different from such employers? Anil obviously different from other such employers, because he was kind, he understands the fact of because Hari Singh was adolescent, so Anil knew that he was an adolescent, and at this age it is not good to hand him over to the police, and he was very kind. So that in these ways he was different from other employers. Now, my dear students, talk about questions are there. Do you think people like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fictions, or are there such people in real life? Well, people like Hari Singh, it is very easy to find. They are not only in fictions. Whenever we switch on the news channels are filled with these newses of robberies by the thieves, and whenever in the newspapers are filled with police stations, and there are numbers of cases in the police stations about the thieves who became the part of family members. They started working as a servant, and they gain the trust. Gradually they gain the trust, and they run away with the valuable things, and they do the robbery or stealing from the same house where they are working, from where they are earning their livelihood. So news channels are filled with these types of newspapers are filled with these types of newses, and police station also. But to find the people like Anil, it is difficult. Yes, it is difficult, but there are people like Anil also who are very kind, who want people to be reformed, who believes in trusting other people, and they do trust. Like Anil trusted on Hari Singh completely, and he gave him another chance to reform, and Hari Singh was reformed. Anil gave Hari Singh another chance to reform, become a good person, and Anil reform. So we can find such people in real life also. Do you think it is significant detail in the story that Anil is a struggling writer? Does this explain his behavior in any way? Well, students, it's some students will say yes, a significant detail is given. Some would say no, it is not. I don't think that the significant detail of given in the story. And some would say yes, it does influence him, and some would say it does not influence him. Well, about struggling, was he a struggling writer? I would say that yes, he was a struggling writer, because in the chapter also it is mentioned that when he says that I cannot pay you, when he says to Hari Singh that I cannot pay you, and when Hari Singh agrees to that, okay, I will work for you without being paid. So what does he say? He was a struggling actor, and he accepted the offer of Hari Singh also when he agreed to his condition. So he keeps him on the work. Then Hari Singh finds his way of earning queer way, because Anil was a kind of person who was not who used to earn his living by fits and starts. Means he used not to get the regular source of income. He used not to get to the regular salary, and and those who would say no, it does not, the significant detail is not given in the story. Those who will say no, because if he was a person who used to earn his living by fits and starts, means जिसकी regular salary नहीं है, regular income नहीं है, so why it is mentioned in the chapter that 1 week he will borrow and another week he will lend. एक हफ्ते उधार लेगा, दूसरे हफ्ते दूसरे को उधार देगा. Whenever he gets the money, he would spend on his friends lavishly. बहुत बड़े तरीके से वो खर्च भी करता है. तो those who, if you are like that, you are not getting the money on a regular basis, so you would be miser, means कंजूस होंगे, इतना खर्च नहीं करेंगे. But he used to do that. So there can be, the answer can be yes or no also. Have you met anyone like Hari Singh? Can you think and imagine the circumstances that can turn a 15-year-old boy into a thief? Well, it all depends on your answer, that if you have met the second part, can you think and imagine the circumstances that can form a 15-year-old boy into a thief? Well, I would say that it is totally depend on you. How would you answer it? If you have met any person like Hari Singh, you can answer this question. And the second part is imagining that what do you think the conditions or circumstances that a 15-year-old boy will become a thief or turn into a thief? Well, I would say that there is no person in the world who is born criminal or thief or a deceiver or a robber, right? Sometimes circumstances, the society, or the bitter behavior or bitter experiences, these things play a very crucial role in anybody's life. If they become at such young age, any person turns into a thief, so by choice he would not do that, right? Sometimes circumstances play the role, sometimes the society, sometimes the negligence of the parents also, because sometimes a person from a good family also turns into a criminal or a robber or a thief or a deceiver. So it all depends on the situation. The fourth question, my dear student, where is the story set? I think the story is set in the north region of India, maybe in Delhi, UP, these places, because the dialogues and because the Hindi and English are spoken in this region more. Mostly Hindi and their local language are more spoken in this area of India. You can, which language or languages are spoken in these places? Do you think the characters in the story spoke to each other in English? Well, in this northern region, Punjabi, Bihari, Punjabi, Haryanvi and Hindi languages are more spoken. English is spoken. English is the language which is being spoken on the more. If you talk about the percentages, South India, this language is more spoken mostly. So the third part, do you think the characters in the story spoke to each other in English? Well, I don't think the characters of the story used to speak with each other in English language, because Hari Singh was a thief who was not educated and Anil was a struggling writer. So if Anil would speak in English with Hari Singh, so Hari Singh would not understand anything, because he was at that point of time, he just didn't even know how to write his name, how to add numbers. So I don't think this happens. So my dear students, the discussion of question answers I have discussed in detail, so you would not face any problem now. If you still have some doubt related to the chapter, you can leave your doubts in the comment box. And now I will tell you that which questions answers you have to do in the fair notebook. The read and find out, two parts are given. All the questions of both the parts of read and find out you have to do in your fair notebook. And textbook questions, think about it. The first question, what are Hari Singh's reactions to the prospect of receiving an education? This question you have to do in your fair notebook. And the second question, why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? This also you have to do in your fair notebook. And from talk about it, the first two questions you will do in your fair notebook. Once more I am telling you that textbook think about it, only two questions. Both questions you have to do in your fair notebook, and talk about it. There are 4 questions. The first 2 questions, the first question and the second questions, their answers you will do in your fair notebook. And students, this is it in today's class. This chapter is completed. Now in the next class we will start with something new. So till then, keep smiling, keep studying. Thank you and have a nice day.